What are the types of vectors? First of all, vectors are themselves the elements of vector spaces. There are broadly four types of vectors that are generally used. Coordinate vectors, that is actually a sequence of n real numbers. Euclidean vectors, spatial motion vectors, and force vectors. So the coordinate vector is, as we know, the sequence of n real numbers. For example, v is a sequence of three real numbers 1, 2, 3. V thus is a vector. Now, for example, if we use vectors as a sequence, then the vector that they represent is called an abstract vector. Now, the Euclidean vector. Euclidean vector is generally defined by magnitude and direction. Now the spatial vectors. Spatial vectors are the vectors that are generally used in the rigid body dynamics. They are the motion vectors and the force vectors. The beautiful thing about spatial vectors is they could include both the angular and the linear term in the same expression of a vector. They are broadly denoted by a cap over the alphabet. Thus, the spatial vector v would be the combination of omega and v, that is the combination of the angular and the linear part, which turns out to be this. And the force spatial vector would be the combination of the angular part and the linear part.